In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Google Calendar embed code. Gathering the embed code for your Google Calendar can help you integrate your schedule seamlessly into a web page, making it accessible and synchronized with your online activities. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this happen smoothly. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your desktop. This process works best on a computer as it gives you a full view of all the options available. Once you have Google Calendar open, direct your eyes over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled My Calendars. Within this section, you'll see a list of all the calendars you've created or are associated with. Hover your mouse over the specific calendar that you want to embed. This small action will reveal some additional options. Now let's move on to the next part. You should notice 3 vertical dots, also known as the options menu, appear next to the calendar name. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings and Sharing. Once selected, you're redirected to a new page that contains a variety of settings for your chosen calendar. Now scroll down on this settings page until you reach a section titled Integrate Calendar. This is where a few more actions will take place. In the Integrate Calendar section, look for an area labeled Embed Code. Here, you'll see an iframe snippet displayed. This snippet of code is what you need to embed your Google Calendar. It's important to note the format of this code as it begins with an HTML iframe tag. The next step is straightforward but crucial. Click to highlight the entire iframe snippet and then copy it. You can do this either by right-clicking and choosing copy or by using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Whatever method you choose, ensure that the entire code snippet is copied accurately. Finally, it's time to place this code on your website. Open the HTML of the web page where you desire the calendar to appear, then simply paste the code exactly where you want the calendar to display. This could be a section dedicated to your schedule or perhaps a prominent place on your home page. Once pasted, make sure to save or publish the changes to your website so the calendar can be viewed by visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded your Google Calendar into a web page, making it easy for others to view your schedule. This integration not only keeps you organized, but also enhances communication by ensuring that everyone has access to the most updated event information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides like this.